Hello everyone, welcome to Russell Classroom. Today I discuss about basic calculus. Okay, start. If you learn calculus, you must be first of all you should be follow this some formula. Okay, start. ddx first formula x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. It is a first formula. ddx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. It is a first formula. Okay, now I can say ddx x equal to 1. But how? I follow this formula x. So x power is 1. Now I can say easily 1 is n. So we know that n x to the power n minus 1. Now 1 x power n minus 1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 0. We know that x is base and power is 0, so this value is 1. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. That's why ddx x is equal to 1. Now if you say ddx x square, so this value is twice x. But how? So I follow this formula again. We know that n x to the power n minus 1, so n is 2, so 2 x to the power n minus 1. So now I can say 2x, so 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So this is the value. Now I can say again, it is the first formula. Now I can say again ddx x to the power 5. Now 5 x to the power 4. I follow this formula again. We know that n x to the power n minus 1, so that's why 5 x to the power 4. And again I want to say ddx 5x. So what is the value of this problem? 5x. So 5x is a constant. 5 is a constant. So if you find out this type of calculus problem, first of all you should be this 5 move on in front. So 5 constant, 5 ddx x, so 5 dot x, you know, ddx x equal to 1, so 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so now ddx, okay, now ddx root over x. So what is the value of root over x? So we know that root over x is equal to x to the power half. So now I can say easily ddx x to the power half, and I follow this formula again. It is a n, so now I can say n x to the power n minus 1, n minus 1. So n is half. Now I can say easily half x power minus half, and now I can say 1 by 2 dot 1 by x power half. We know a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. I follow this formula. Now I can say 1 by 2 and x half power half is equal to root over x. So if you solve this problem, you can follow this type of rules. Root over x, we know that ddx root over x is equal to 1 by 2 root over x. Okay, now if I say d dt t, so this is 1. Again d by d theta equal to 1. Okay, and if you say d by dx equal to 1, this time this value is 0. But how? Because of that there is no x in this value, so this why it is not possible. So ddx 1 is equal to 0. Okay, ddx 5x square plus twice x plus 2 is equal to what? So now I can say easily 5x square. So 5 x square, 5 dot 5 is constant, so x square, we know that x square, if I d dx x square, we find out twice x, and here is 2x, so 2x d dx is equal to 2, and 2 d dx is equal to 0. So now I can say easily 10x plus 2, and I say again d dx 10 x to the power q. So what is the value of d dx 10x cube? So 10 is constant and d dx x cube. Now I find out 10 multiply x cube. So n x to the power n minus 1. Now I can say 10 dot 3 x square. So 10 multiply 3 is 30 x square. So if you d dx 10 x cube, you find out 30 x square. Okay, now I can start second formula. D dx sine x. So d dx sine x. Okay, it is a second formula. D dx sine x equal to cos x. But how? It has proved, but I have no enough time. Because of that, now I can say direct d dx sine x is equal to cos x. Okay, start. Now d dx sine x equal to cos x. Okay, so if you say d dx sine 2x, so we know that sine x, d dx sine x is equal to cos x. So at this moment you can say easily d dx sine 2x is equal to cos 2x. Because of that, here is x, here is 2x, and again you can d dx 2x, so d dx 2x, so cos 2x dot, if you say d dx 2x is equal to 2, so you can say easily 2 multiply cos 2x, so sine 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Now you can say easily d dx sine square 2x. But what is the value of this problem? Okay, you can say easily there is 2, so 2 is a n. So first of all, you can follow this first formula, d dx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So you can say easily 2 is n, so n x to the power sine, so 2 minus 1, you can say easily 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so don't write 2x, 2 sine x, and d dx sine 2x. Now I can say easily 2 sine 2x and sine 2x. Sine 2x, if you d dx sine 2x, we know that 2 cos 2x, 2 cos 2x. Now I can say easily 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4 sine 2x cos 2x. Okay, d dx sine x cube. So what is the value of sine x cube? Sine x, if you d dx sine x, we find out cos x, so easily we can say cos x. So x is x cube, and now you can d dx x cube, d dx x cube. So you can say easily cos x cube dot x cube d dx x cube 3x square. So this is the answer. Okay, problem. Now third formula, d dx cos x. So d dx cosine x is equal to minus sine x. So I can solve some problem. Okay, d dx cos 2x. Now I can see easily d dx cos 2x is equal to minus sine 2x, and if you again d dx 2x is equal to 2, so this value is minus 2 sine 2x. Okay, again now I can say d dx cos x cube, d dx cos x cube. Now I can say cos x cube is equal to minus sine x cube, and x cube. Again you can ddx x cube, so this time you can find out 3x square. Now you can say easily minus 3 x square sine x cube. This is the value of this problem. Okay, now fourth formula, ddx 10x ddx tangent x equal to sec square x. Okay, now if you say ddx tan 4x, you can find out tan 4x equals sec square 4x, and if you again 4x, if you ddx again 4x, this time you can find out 4x is equal to 4, so this answer is 4 sec square 4x. Now I can say again ddx tan square 2x. So what is the value of this equation? So now you can think it is n, so you can say easily n x to the power n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 2x, then again tan 2x, so tan 2x is equal to sec square 2x, and 2x is equal to 2. Now you can say 4 tan 2x sec square 2x. Okay, now ddx sec x, ddx sec x equal to sec x tan x. If you now I solve some problem, ddx sec 2x, you can say easily sec 2x and tan 2x, and if you ddx again 2x, you can find out 2 ddx cot x equal to minus cos square x, cosec square x. ddx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, and if you say ddx cot 5x, now you can say easily cot 5x, so minus cosec square 5x, and again 5x is equal to 5, now you can say minus 5 cosec square 5x. Now ddx ln x, so ddx ln x is equal to 1 by x. Now ddx ln 5x, you can say easily 1 by 5x. We know that ln x is equal to 1 by x, so that's why ln 5 is equal to 1 by 5x. And again you can 5x ddx 5x, so this time you can say easily 1 by 5x dot 5x is equal to 5 is 5 cancel, so you can say easily 1 by x. Ln x square ddx ln x square, so what is the value of this problem? So you can say easily 1 by x square, because of that we know that ln x is equal to 1 by x, so that's time you can say easily ln x square is equal to 1 by x square, again ddx x square, so this time you can say easily 1 by x square, and x square is equal to twice x is cancelled, this time you can say easily 2 by x. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now ddx e to the power x, so it is too much interesting, because of that if for x you find out e to the power x, it's too much interesting. So e to the power x, ddx e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, so ddx e to the power like 2x, so what is the value of this problem? You can see easily this value is 2 power e to the power 2x, because of that we know that there is no change, e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, and again ddx 2x, so you can say easily e to the power twice x, 2x is equal to 2, so this time 2 e to the power 2x. This is the value of this problem. Again I can say easily ddx e to the power ln x, what is the value of this problem? Okay, so we know that e to the power ln x, there is no change, and again ddx ln x. Now I can say easily e to the power ln x dot ln x is equal to 1 by x. So this is the answer. And now I can say again ddx e to the power x square. So you can say easily e to the power x square, because of that no change. Again x square, you can find out twice x. So this is the answer.